smoking.
Again?
Yeah, I know. It's like he's smoking every night.
Well, at least you have your wedding to look forward to.
Tell me, Helen, have you ever heard anyone whistle in the dead of night?
Never.
You could not possibly whistle yourself in your sleep.
Certainly not. But why?
Because during the past few nights, I've always, about 3 in the morning, heard a low, clear whistle. I'm a light sleeper and it doesn't awaken me. I cannot tell where it came from. Perhaps from the next room, perhaps from the lawn. I thought I would just ask you whether you had heard it.
No, I have not. It must be the gypsies. In the plantation.
Very likely. Yet, if it was on the lawn, I wonder that you did not hear it also.
Ah, but I sleep more heavily than you.
Well, it is of no great consequence at any rate.
Okay. Wait for 3 minutes and then come in. 1, 2, go. Okay, wait for 3 seconds and then come in. 1, 2, go. Okay. Oh, go. Sorry. Ready, go.
Father's smoking.
Again?
Yeah. Seems like he does it every night.
It's like he does it just to irritate you.
Well, I have my wedding to look forward to.
Yeah. I can't wait. It'll be so fun.
And then how are we supposed to do the rest of the scene?
Oh, you're talking to me.
It'll be just me and the baboon and the tiger. Oh my gosh. Anyway, are you looking forward to your wedding?
You wouldn't. I'm getting married. What type of question is that?
Don't do that, Helen. Okay.
Father is smoking again.
Again?
Yeah, I know. Ready? Father is smoking again. It's like he does it every night.
Again?
Awkward moment of silence. Again. Dramatic pause. Very good, Rosa.
Father's smoking.
Again?
Yeah, it's like he smokes every night or something. Oh well, at least I have my wedding to look forward to.
Dramatic pause.
So, what do you think of your husband?
Dude, I love him. Come on.
I mean, like, what are your favorite characteristics about him?
They have the book right there. They're not looking at the book.
What is this?
It's a strip.
I don't
know. I'm gonna keep it rolling. Yep.
Father's smoking.
Again?
I know, it's like he smokes every night now.
Never.
We're never. Because during the last few nights, I've about 3 in the morning. I'm sorry, this is so funny.
Laughing again.
It must be the gypsies from the
plantation. You're just giving me ways to blackmail you, Rosa.
Don't put this in the bloopers for the film. Don't. I'm sorry. Stop. Guys, started. Wait, can I scream for you guys? Yeah. Go.
I'm not listening.
You're faking a smile.